Welcome to Daily Hustle YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the hottest topics in the world of affiliate marketing: how to use ChatGPT to make money. With the rapid advancements in AI technology, leveraging ChatGPT, generative pre-trained transformer, can be a game changer for your affiliate marketing endeavors. Not only can ChatGPT automate customer communication, but it can also help boost your conversions, increase sales, and ultimately maximize your earnings. So, whether you're an experienced affiliate marketer or just starting out, this video is a must-watch. Let's get started with the basics. The power of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an incredible way to earn passive income by promoting products or services of other companies. As an affiliate marketer, you earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. One of the key challenges, however, is engaging potential customers effectively to drive conversions. That's where ChatGPT comes into play. ChatGPT, powered by advanced machine learning algorithms, can help you automate and streamline customer interactions, making your affiliate marketing efforts more efficient and converting more prospects into paying customers. Introduction to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an AI language model capable of generating human-like text responses. It is pre-trained on a massive dataset, allowing it to understand and respond to a wide array of queries, conversationally and contextually. You can use ChatGPT as a virtual assistant, sales representative, or support agent, all without the need for human intervention. This technology has revolutionized the way businesses interact with their customers, ensuring prompt, informative, and personalized responses 24/7. Utilizing ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. Automating customer engagement. With ChatGPT, you can automate customer interactions across multiple channels, such as social media, websites, or even emails. Create personalized chatbots that engage potential customers, answer their queries, offer recommendations, and guide them toward making a purchase. By integrating ChatGPT into your affiliate marketing strategy, you can provide instant support, build trust, and ultimately increase your chances of closing more sales. Targeted recommendations. ChatGPT can understand user preferences and gather insights based on conversation history. By analyzing this data, you can utilize ChatGPT to suggest products and services tailored to the individual's interests. This level of personalization can significantly boost conversion rates, as customers feel engaged and understood. Content generation. Another remarkable feature of ChatGPT is its ability to generate high-quality content. You can leverage this capability to create persuasive articles, reviews, and comparisons for your affiliate products. By utilizing ChatGPT to streamline content generation processes, you can save time and effort while still producing engaging and informative content that attracts potential buyers. Streamlining affiliate link distribution. Managing and distributing numerous affiliate links can be a hassle. With ChatGPT, you can automate the distribution process by generating trackable links on demand. Additionally, ChatGPT can provide customized recommendations based on user queries and redirect them to the most relevant landing page or product, significantly improving the chances of generating commissions. Implementing ChatGPT for affiliate marketing success. Choosing the right ChatGPT platform. There are several ChatGPT platforms available in the market, each with its own unique features and pricing models. When selecting a platform, consider factors such as ease of integration, scalability, language support, and affordability. Explore options like Dialogflow, HubSpot, or ManyChat, and choose the one that aligns best with your affiliate marketing goals and budget. Developing engaging conversation flows. To maximize the potential of ChatGPT, it's crucial to craft engaging conversation flows that cater to various customer queries and scenarios. Thoroughly analyze your target audience's pain points, frequently asked questions, and objections to create conversational pathways that address their concerns effectively. By doing so, you can create a seamless experience that both informs and persuades customers to take action. Constantly train and improve ChatGPT. While ChatGPT is a pre-trained language model, continuous training based on specific queries and customer conversations is essential. This process helps refine the model's responses and adapt it to the changing needs and preferences of your audience. It's crucial to regularly analyze user feedback, identify areas of improvement, and fine-tune ChatGPT to deliver better results. Monitor analytics and optimize performance. Leverage the analytics provided by your chosen ChatGPT platform to monitor performance and gain insights into user behavior. Analyzing data such as user drop-off points, frequently asked questions, and conversion rates can help identify opportunities for improvement. By understanding how customers interact with ChatGPT, you can optimize the system's responses and drive better outcomes. In conclusion, embracing ChatGPT can be a definite game-changer for your affiliate marketing endeavors. The ability to automate customer engagement, offer targeted recommendations, streamline the distribution of affiliate links, and generate high-quality content can substantially boost your earnings as an affiliate marketer. With the power of AI, you can now deliver exceptional customer experiences while maximizing conversions and sales. So, don't wait any longer. Start incorporating ChatGPT into your affiliate marketing strategy and witness the transformation it brings to your earnings. Remember to choose the right platform, develop engaging conversation flows, train and improve the model regularly, and consistently monitor analytics to optimize performance. Wishing you all the success in your affiliate marketing journey with ChatGPT. Until next time, keep hustling.